Welcome to McArthurGlen Designer Outlet Vancouver Airport, a premier luxury shopping destination just 20 minutes from downtown Vancouver via the Canada Line. A quick 3-minute walk from Templeton Station will bring you right to the heart of this shopping paradise. If you're driving, take Highway 99 south to the Arthur Lane Bridge, follow the signs to the airport's main terminal, and then look for the signs directing you to the designer outlet. And don't worry about parking, there are approximately 2,000 free parking spaces available. Open daily from 10 a.m. until late, the outlet offers over 80 designer brands at unbeatable prices. For the most current operating hours, be sure to visit their site. This outlet offers the best of European and North American luxury, premium, and lifestyle brands, with year-round savings of up to 70%. Whether you're a local or a traveler passing through, this is the place to shop for incredible deals. As you stroll through the mall, you'll discover an impressive lineup of famous brands. From luxury fashion houses like Gucci and Prada to premium labels such as Coach, Michael Kors, and Ralph Lauren, there's something for everyone. You'll also find top sportswear brands like Nike and Adidas, as well as lifestyle favorites like Levi's and Tommy Hilfiger. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or casual essentials, this outlet has you covered. For those visiting with family, the mall offers well-designed playgrounds that are perfect for keeping the little ones entertained. These safe and engaging play areas are a great place for kids to have fun while you relax and enjoy your shopping experience. This destination doesn't just offer incredible shopping, it also contributes to the local community by creating jobs and providing public and entertainment spaces. Plus, by keeping local dollars within the community, it plays a vital role in supporting the regional economy. If you're waiting at Vancouver International Airport or have some time before your flight, the outlet is a perfect spot to explore. Just hop on the Canada Line SkyTran directly from the airport, and in a quick 3-minute ride, you'll arrive at Templeton Station. From there, it's only a short walk to the mall, where you can enjoy world-class shopping and dining. To make the most of your visit without missing your flight, set a reminder on your phone to leave the mall at least 90 minutes before your departure. This will give you plenty of time to return to the airport, clear security, and get to your gate stress-free. When it's time for a break, the mall offers a variety of dining options to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a sit-down meal, you'll find a range of restaurants and food outlets offering delicious cuisines from around the world. It's the perfect way to refuel before continuing your shopping journey. Whether you're here to shop, explore, or just enjoy the atmosphere, the outlet offers an experience that's hard to beat. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more shopping guides and travel tips. Happy shopping!